You are in the right place. We want to help you get connected with cleaning assignments in your desired geographical area. Here is how Cleaning Connected works. Visit www.cleaninconnected.com and search the various cleaning projects listed on the home page. You can select a specific project, or you can search by region or project name. Once you have found the project you are interested in, click the View Details button. Cleaning Connected will provide the following information per cleaning assignment for your review: project number or name, project location, bid due date, project square foot, project type, assignment description, project files such as photos and plans, project information sheet with very important information. Now you want to provide your company's cleaning estimate for this project? Can you meet all the project-specific requirements? Does your cleaning price fall under our advertised cleaning budget? Do you meet the general liability insurance requirements? Have you reviewed the cleaning scope of work on the project information sheet and can agree to all items? You have all your own cleaning supplies, equipment, PPE, and supervision? Are you able to agree to the outlined payment terms? Let's get your cleaning estimates submitted. Click the Bid Now button on the project page. You will be directed to complete the proposal form. Fill in and answer all questions. Once completed, hit the Submit Bid button. Your estimate has now been directed to our staff for review. Hold tight and allow us to reach out. Work is coming your way.